Welcome to Voice Hugs by Pocket Pathways. Use a QR code to open it on your phone or tablet, and then add the web app to your home screen for easy access. You'll love having voice hugs for instant inspiration and motivation for yourself or to share with others. Voice Hugs has two major features. The app includes pre-recorded buttons and a simple way to create your own buttons to use and share. The home screen when you sign in has our signature button, "You're the best." Press the button, and you'll hear applause and cheers and acknowledgement that you're the best. As with all of the buttons on the app, you can click the Share button to copy the link and email it or text it as many times as you like. We started with a "You're the best" button, which is sure to bring an instant smile. Then we added more buttons to inspire, motivate, and bring out a positive mood in anyone. A unique feature of the app is that you can create your own buttons. Just name the button and add up to 6 recordings. Click Create, and you'll have a new button in your collection using your own voice or perhaps someone you know. You can even add multiple voices to make the button more meaningful. Once you create your buttons, you can view them, listen to them, share them, and edit them to make sure they are just the kind of voice hug you want for yourself or to share. We think you'll find many ways to connect with others by sending encouraging words and positive thoughts. We know that your voice hugs will truly be appreciated, and we also think you'll like voice hugs for yourself. You can use the app anytime and anywhere for an instant boost of motivation and encouragement. Voice Hugs was designed by the staff at Pocket Pathways, a subsidiary of Between Sessions Resources. We always welcome your feedback and questions. You can reach us anytime by writing info@betweensessions.com.